invest in this if you are a beginner, if you are new to the game, if you don't want to do anything with your hair, if you are tired of lace wigs, lace fronts, lace closures, frontal wigs, 360, anything with lace, you're tired of it, this is it. Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Simone here. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, we're trying something very new. I've always had my concerns about it. I've seen it all over TikTok. I've seen it all over Instagram and YouTube.
What I've gathered.
Why am I talking like this? This wig is like a U-part wig, but it's not a U-part wig. It's a V-part wig. The wig is sponsored by Beauty Forever. This is how the unit looks. It is a body wave unit, as we love. Well, I want to show you what the V-part looks like. This is basically it, as you can see right here. I hope you guys can see that. Let me make sure. So basically when you open it, there are 4 combs here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are supposed to clip onto your hair. When you open the entire unit, it looks like a wig that you clip on. This is it. So if you ask me, it mimics a U-part wig. So the way that I have my hair underneath is I've seen a lot of girls had like, they kind of have this. I'm going to leave out a teeny bit of leave out. You can even move it closer. It's just not the vibe. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just flat iron my edges. Saw how little bit of leave out I left out. That's all you really need. You don't need any more than that, because the point is to have no leave out to minimal leave out, you know? And then I just do like 1 pass with the flat iron, and then we're gonna comb it down, and this is what's gonna make it look. Yes, this is now I love this thing. I have such little bit of leave out. Like, this is perfect for on the go, if you want to just run somewhere. Let me flat iron my edges on this side. Okay, now I like it. Okay, now I love it. All right, it just takes time, but this is, I was gonna give up, but I never give up on my hair. It has to be done. Now I made my lighting much more brighter so you guys can see what I was doing, because I felt like it was too dark, and I feel like for this you really need to see. But this is perfect for the girls who just don't like to have a lot of leave out. If you just do not want to wear a wig or lace. So now I could say I'm definitely here for it. I have to make my hair stay down because it keeps on puffing back up. But yeah, this is definitely a winner in my book. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more curls to it because I'm not really liking, it's factory curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my own little pizzazz to it. I'll keep the camera rolling so you guys can see, and I'm gonna go ahead and speed through this. But now I could be like, what you said? What? You're Nate? I'm gonna let me start. Yes, this looks immaculate. Like, I would never think I have a wig on. Like, I would think I have like a sew-in or something. This is how great it looks. Like, and it's so cool because I have literally almost no hair out. Like, you guys saw how little bit that piece was. So freaking love my hair. Honestly, I wish that I would have wore this a long time ago, because this is for me. This wig was made for me. This whole V part thing was made for me. And I think it looks even better than being a U-part wig, because sorry, I've tried U-part wigs in the past, but I always say U-part wigs don't work for me, and it's true. Like, I think having out too much hair just does not work in my favor. So being that I only have out a little bit of hair, and then this is a wig, oh my god, my prayers have been answered. I don't know what I'm saying, but no, absolutely love. I'm actually gonna dye this jet black like on another day, because I'm just so curious to know like how it's gonna blend so seamlessly when I dye this jet. As usual, you guys know I always like to add my own little touch to it, so I'm gonna just trim the ends, because I do feel like the ends are a little rough. The other side. But yeah, highly impressed. It's so funny because I started this video off being like, no, I don't like it, I hate it, everything about it is ugh, and I ended the video in love. So that's why I always say, like, don't give up too quickly on your hair, because you'll go from one thing to another thing so quick. And obviously you don't want to spray too much, so spray enough, and then I'm just gonna brush it and then hold it in place so that it kind of stays down. Not kinda, so that it does stay down. And I just hold it. Like, this is basically you molding the hair. Yeah, but U parts never work for me because my real hair just sticks out like this. So I'll be like, oh my god, girl, what's up? Before I know it, my real hair is like this and the rest of my weave is down. Every time, never fails. This, look at that. And guys, we are basically done. Highly impressed with this wig. Looks amazing. Oh, love it. So easy to install. You don't even have to know how to do your own hair. You could be the biggest beginner in America, in the world, and you will know how to do this. So I say definitely invest in this if you are a beginner, if you are new to the game, if you don't want to do anything with your hair, if you are tired of lace wigs, lace fronts, lace closures, frontal wigs, 360, anything with lace, you're tired of it, this is it. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one, and thanks for watching. I should have a code down below. If not, I'll let you guys know. And yeah.